Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen Beoplay A2 or A2 Active wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, any issues like that where it's not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to set this speaker up as a brand new speaker, delete all the pairing history and everything like that, we can just go ahead and do this really easily. All we need to do is with it on, we're just going to come in and press and hold simultaneously the power button and the Bluetooth button together for 3 seconds. And while we're holding it, we're just going to keep an eye on this indicator light right here. And when the indicator light turns from red to white, that means that all the pairing has been removed, it's been restored to its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set this speaker up like a brand new coming out of the box speaker.